What if I told you that one of the most common pieces of advice given to seniors is silently setting them up for a future of weakness, pain, and dependence? You've heard it 1,000 times. Just keep walking. What if I told you that one of the most common pieces of advice given to seniors is silently setting them up for a future of weakness, pain, and dependence? You've heard it 1,000 times. Just keep walking. Stay active. But what if that's only half the story? What if that daily walk, the one you trust to keep you healthy, is actually letting your muscles waste away, your bones become brittle, and your balance fade? It's a terrifying thought, isn't it? To do everything you're told, only to find yourself struggling to get out of a chair, afraid of a simple fall, and watching your independence slip through your fingers. This isn't just a random fear, it's a reality for millions. But today, we're going to expose this hidden truth and reveal the 5 simple, doctor-recommended movements that can truly protect your body, rebuild your strength, and give you back control of your future. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could be the most important discovery for your health in the next decade. Let's be clear. Walking is wonderful. It's fantastic for your heart, your circulation, and your mood. But after 60, it's like trying to build a house with only a hammer. You need more tools. Walking alone simply cannot fight the natural process of age-related muscle loss, a condition doctors call sarcopenia. Think about this. After age 60, you can lose 1 to 2% of your muscle mass every single year if you're not doing the right kind of training. That's a shocking number. That loss of muscle is what leads to that feeling of weakness in your legs, that wobble when you stand up, and the terrifying risk of a fall that could change your life forever. Many people, maybe even you, confuse general movement with strength training. You might walk for 30 minutes or an hour every day and think, I'm doing enough. But walking is a surface-level activity. It doesn't challenge your deep core muscles, it doesn't strengthen your upper body, and it doesn't build the powerful leg and glute muscles you need to support your joints and skeleton. This is the critical missing piece. It's why so many seniors who walk daily still suffer from nagging back pain, find it difficult to climb stairs, and have low bone density, putting them at a higher risk for fractures. The good news? The solution isn't about spending hours at a gym or lifting heavy weights. Doctors and physical therapists are now highlighting 5 incredibly simple, gentle exercises you can do right in the comfort of your own home without any special equipment. These aren't just exercises, they are your new daily essentials for a life of strength and freedom. Let's start from the ground up with our first exercise, calf activation. This sounds simple, and it is, but its effects are profound. You'll be doing a combination of heel raises and toe raises. To do a heel raise, stand straight, holding onto a chair or countertop for balance. Slowly push up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as you can. Hold for a moment, feeling the squeeze in your calf muscles, and then slowly lower back down. For the toe raise, you simply rock back on your heels, lifting the front of your feet and your toes off the floor. Why is this so important? Your calves are like a second heart for your lower body. Every time you squeeze those muscles, you help pump blood from your legs back up to your heart. This reduces that heavy, swollen feeling in your ankles and feet, helps prevent painful leg cramps, and dramatically improves your ankle stability, which is your first line of defense against a stumble or fall. Just 10 to 15 of these, done slowly and with control, can make a world of difference. Next, we move to the upper body with our second exercise, the wall push-up. Forget getting down on the floor. This variation is safe, accessible, and incredibly effective. Stand facing a wall about arm's length away. Place your palms flat on the wall, a little wider than your shoulders. Now, keeping your body in a straight line from your head to your heels, bend your elbows and slowly lean your chest toward the wall. Push back to the starting position. This isn't just about arm strength. This movement strengthens your entire upper body, your chest, shoulders, and arms. It also helps to open up your chest, correcting that hunched-over posture that can develop over time. When your chest is open, you can breathe more deeply, getting more oxygen into your body and brain. And here's a crucial benefit. Resistance exercises like this put gentle, positive stress on your bones, signaling them to become stronger and denser. This is your natural defense against osteoporosis. Now for our third exercise, and it is one that doctors consider a key indicator of your long-term independence, the chair-assisted sit-to-stand. It's also called a chair squat. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, about shoulder width apart. Cross your arms over your chest, or hold them out in front for balance. Without using your hands to push off, engage your core and leg muscles to stand up straight. Then, with full control, slowly lower yourself back down to the seated position. Don't just flop down, control the movement all the way. This single exercise is a powerhouse. It strengthens your thighs, your glutes, the biggest muscles in your body, and your core. These are the muscles you use for everything. Getting out of a car, standing up from the dinner table, and picking something up off the floor. A strong lower body and core are the foundation of good balance. Mastering this movement is like giving yourself an insurance policy against needing help for basic daily activities. Our fourth exercise is the high knee marching in place. This is a brilliant way to get your heart rate up gently while also activating key muscles. Again, stand tall, holding onto a wall or chair if you need to for balance. March in place, but with one key difference. Lift your knees up high, as if you're trying to touch your waist. Go at a comfortable pace, don't rush it. This combines the cardiovascular benefits of walking with the muscle activation of a strength exercise. It is especially wonderful for people with arthritis or those carrying a bit of extra weight because it's low impact, no jarring on your knees or hips. As you lift your knees, you're engaging your core, improving your balance, and boosting circulation. That increased blood flow sends a fresh supply of oxygen to your brain, which can help with mental clarity and focus. It's a workout for your body and your brain at the same time. Finally, our fifth exercise. And I want you to think of this one as a protective shield for your lower back. The glute bridge. Lie on your back on a mat or a carpeted floor. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart, close enough that you can almost touch your heels with your fingertips. Rest your arms by your sides. Now, squeeze your glute muscles and lift your hips off the floor until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold for a couple of seconds, really focusing on that squeeze, and then slowly lower your hips back down. So many people suffer from lower back pain, and it's often because their glute muscles are weak, forcing the lower back to do all the work. The glute bridge wakes up and strengthens your glutes, your hamstrings, and your core, taking that immense pressure off your lower back. It's one of the most effective exercises for reducing and preventing lower back pain, and it also improves your hip mobility. Now, before you jump into these, a quick but very important note. If you're over 60, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions, it's always wise to have a quick chat with your doctor. Get a basic check of your heart, blood pressure, and joint health. When you do these exercises, the key is slow, controlled movements. Pair them with steady, even breathing. Never hold your breath. And listen to your body. If you feel any dizziness, sharp pain, or unusual shortness of breath, stop immediately and seek advice. Remember the golden rule. Consistency is far more important than intensity. It is so much better to do 10 to 15 minutes of these gentle movements every single day than to push yourself too hard once a week and then quit. Because you're sore or injured. And don't forget to support your new routine. What you do outside of your 15 minutes of exercise matters just as much. Fuel your body with protein-rich meals to help your muscles repair and grow. Fill your plate with vegetables and healthy fats. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and prioritize good, restorative sleep. This is how you create a holistic system for aging with strength. Let's bring this all together. Walking keeps your heart alive, and that is a beautiful, vital thing. But purposeful, targeted movement is what keeps you independent. These 5 exercises, the calf activations, the wall push-ups, the chair sit-to-stands, the high knee marches, and the glute bridges, are so much more than just a workout. They are a daily ritual of self-care. They are your personal declaration that you choose to age with strength, freedom, and confidence, instead of with fear and dependence. You are not just exercising. You are investing in your ability to play with your grandkids, to travel, to live in your own home, and to wake up every day feeling capable and strong. You are taking back the power from the aging process. Start today. Just 10 minutes. That's all it takes to begin building a stronger, more resilient you. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonated with you, please share it with a friend or family member who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to live your strongest, healthiest life at any age. We'll see you in the next video.